What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Thragg from Invincible. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top. You want to come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now along the top left side of each eye, we're going to add a highlight. So we're going to bring a circle coming in, and then back out, and then let's line that up on the right. From here we're going to place the brow on top of the eye. So let's start on the left side. We're going to bend the brow coming in, and then up. Line this up on the right, do the same thing. Now I want to follow the curve of the eye, going across the brow, and then out towards the side. Let's add some thickness to the eyebrows. Starting from the tip, we're going to taper this so it gets thicker as you come back in. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Starting on left, let's curve this down, across, and then up. Then we'll step up and draw a short curve going across the bridge of the nose. Let's tuck the mustache in underneath the nose, curve this out, and then down towards the left, and then do the same thing on the right. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Now I switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes. And we'll do the same thing with the mustache. Just fill the entire area in black. I'm also going to add a fold underneath the eyes. Starting on the left, curves down and then out on the left and right side. Let's go to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we'll step over. Let's curve the head, coming down, pull this in underneath the mustache, go across, and then bend that up towards the same height. Now from here, go up, bend that in around the eyebrows. Let's go straight up toward the top of the hairline. And then we'll draw a straight line going across from left to right. Now Thragg has two curves underneath the chin. So on the left, bend this down and out, and do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the side of the head and draw in the ears. Let's start with the left. We're going to go up, curl the ear, coming down and in, and then we'll line that up on the right side. Let's add a fold across the top of the ears, going up and then out. Go back to the inside, and we're going to add a hook. Now we want to draw on the outside of the head. So let's start on top of the ear and go out, pull this up and in towards the middle, go across the center, come down along the right, and then in on top of the ear. Now I'm going to switch back to my thick black marker and want to fill the inside of the hair. Now with the head complete, let's draw the thick fur collar around the neck. So we're going to start underneath the earlobe on the left, bend this out and then down toward the side. And we're going to add some fur with these little points coming in. Let's add another one. We're going to bend this down and then in. Let's add another point with a short line going up. Bend this down and in towards the side. Now I'm going to work our way back up towards the chin. So we're going to come in and up about halfway towards the chin. Let's add a point, a slight curve coming down. Then we'll bend this in and then up underneath the head. Let's go back to these 2 points. We're going to curve the body, going out and then down towards the hips. And then we'll bend the belt on the left side, coming in and then down towards the center. And go up towards the right hip. The step up, we're just going to trace those 2 curves, coming in towards the middle. Step up again and do that one more time. Now I'm going to simplify the symbol in the center of the body. So from the side of the collar, come in with a slight curve. Come down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to draw a circle, going all the way around and then back up. On the left side, draw a straight line coming down about halfway. Add a line down the center. And then on the bottom right, go straight up. Let's go back to the hips. I'm going to curve this out and then down. And then on the left side, we're going to curve this across and then up towards the right. Now over on the right side, draw a straight line coming down from the belt. Let's tuck the feet in underneath, leaving a gap in the center. Go to the left side, draw one straight line coming down towards the heel, move over towards the right, and do that again. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the left heel, coming down and then up on both sides. Now I want to round out the top of the feet, starting from the left, from the toe, we're going to go up. Now we're going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. We want to leave a gap along the inside. Let's go back to the bottom corners, step in, draw an angled line coming down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top along the side of the body and draw on the arms. Let's start back at this point, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to add a half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, curl the first finger going around the bracket, step down, add the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to bend this all the way around and then up underneath that fur collar. Let's go back to the top of the thumb. We're going to add the sleeve, going up and then bending that out. Now I want to layer the cape in behind the body. So we're going to start from that center finger, bend the cape coming down and out towards the end. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to close out the bottom with a curve from left to right, going in towards the left foot, curve in between. Now I'm going to pull that up towards the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Thragg from Invincible. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.